This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Rob Napier. This charming South Merritt Island home lives large inside and out with a split floor plan of 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, all generously sized. Watch the launches from your huge, nearly a quarter acre, lot complete with privacy fencing, tool shed, fire pit, many types of fruit trees, and best of all, street access into the backyard through a double 14+ gate. This is a very rare treat for boat or RV parking. Includes an updated eat-in kitchen, stainless steel appliances, large living room, and inside laundry. Updated in 2015, the roof is less than 6 years old, as is the upgraded plumbing and electrical. Convenient yet quiet location offers easy commutes to Causeway, Port, PAFB, beaches, boat ramps, Orlando and more. Great school district. For more information